After your carpal tunnel release, you will no longer wake up at night from your symptoms. That relief is immediate. However, any numbness and tingling you have during the daytime will take time to improve. This can take anywhere from 12 to 24 months, with gradual recovery along the way. For the first 2 weeks, keep your wrist completely still. Moving your wrist can lead to infection. Your splint, a half cast, will help prevent this, and it should stay on at all times, even in the shower. Just cover it with a plastic bag to keep it dry. The only reason to take it off is if it feels too tight. If that happens, loosen the bandage and reapply it more lightly. Even though your wrist must stay still, your fingers must keep moving. It's essential to fully bend both your finger joints and your knuckles. If you don't, your hand will become stiff. Your knuckles must bend to at least 70 degrees, and you should do this a few times every day. For the first 48 hours, keep your hand elevated. Think about 3 points: your hand, your heart, and the floor. Your hand should always be higher than your heart. When lying down, this happens naturally. When sitting, keep it at table height. When standing, raise it above your shoulder. If your hand is too low, you will feel throbbing, have more swelling, and develop more stiffness. For the first 2 weeks, use your hand only to open and close your fingers. No work or heavy activities. Around 2 weeks, we'll remove your splint and change your dressing. From 2 to 4 weeks, you can do light activities, but do not grip or lift anything heavier than 5 pounds. Heavier activities can begin around 4 weeks, and by 6 weeks, there are no restrictions. One last thing, you will have tenderness along the incision for 10 months. This is completely normal. Some aching, swelling, and sensitivity in the palm and wrist are expected, especially if you have strong hand muscles. Your carpal tunnel release was performed by me, Dr. Alexander Anzarut, a plastic surgeon. If you have any concerns at all after surgery, don't wait. Contact us immediately. We're here to help you heal safely and comfortably.